By the end of this video, you will know how to send an invoice by email in FreshBooks. Start by signing in to your FreshBooks account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. This is where you can move between different areas of your account, including expenses, clients, and invoices. From that left-hand menu, click Invoices. FreshBooks will open your invoice area, where you can see the invoices that have already been created. Take a moment to find the one you want to send. If you have several invoices listed, make sure you open the correct one before moving forward. Click the invoice you want to email. This will open the full invoice view so you can review it before sending it out. At this stage, you are looking at the invoice itself, along with the actions available for that specific record. Next, move to the top right corner of the invoice page and click More Actions. This menu contains additional options related to the invoice. When the menu appears, select Send by Email. That will open the email sending window for this invoice. Now review the email details carefully. FreshBooks will usually fill in the recipient information and the standard email content based on the client connected to the invoice. Check the recipient's email address first to make sure it is going to the right contact. Then look at the subject line and the message body. If anything needs to be adjusted, update it here before you send the invoice. This is a good point to make sure the email says exactly what you want your client to receive. You can keep the existing message or make small changes so it matches your usual communication style. If your workflow includes online payments, the client will be able to use the invoice link to view and pay online after the message arrives, as long as that option is enabled for the invoice. Once you have reviewed the email address, subject, and message, click Send. FreshBooks will send the invoice by email to your client using the information shown in that window. After it is sent, the client will receive the email with a link to open the invoice online. From there, they can review the invoice and pay it online if online payments are available. If you ever want to confirm what was sent, you can return to the invoice record in FreshBooks and review its details there. But the sending step itself is complete as soon as you click Send and FreshBooks processes the action. Your invoice has now been sent by email from FreshBooks.